Hello, it's me Ashley and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a fantastic day. So today we're going to be looking at a little quick and easy Halloween makeup tutorial. Okay then, so if you can't guess already then, today I'm going to be showing you a little quick and easy Halloween tutorial on how to look like a cat. Meow. Now what I will say is I've been fighting off a cold and I don't know if a cat tutorial is the best thing to be doing, but it's what I actually did myself for a little Halloween party at work the other day, so I thought it would be great to share with you guys because it is just quick and easy. Okay then, so start with, as you can probably tell, I have done my base makeup already. I've just put on some foundation, a bit of concealer, a slight little bit of bronzer on my cheeks, and I've also done my eyebrows. I have actually done my eyebrows a little bit bolder and a little bit darker than usual, perhaps a little bit bigger, just because the other day when I did it, I felt that my eyebrows needed to pop a little bit more just to match with the cat makeup. Okay then, so the product we're going to use probably the most is this Lottie London Stamp Liner. And it's a liner that is at one end, it is a little wing liner, and at the other end, it is a pen. So we're going to be using that a lot because it's really super handy and it makes everything quick and easy. Okay, so the other day at work, I didn't actually have a mirror on me and I ended up using this little sleek highlighter palette, which is destroyed, but the mirror is a nice little size and hopefully it's not too big that you can still see me and I can still see inside. So then we're going to start off with the stamp side, the winged side of the eyeliner, and we're just going to whack on there a couple of little wings just to make it look a little bit more catty. So it did take me a couple of goes to get this right and the positioning can be a bit so-so. Now the last two times I've done it, it's actually gone really well, so you know it's just going to go wrong today. I haven't put any setting powder or anything on just because obviously we're working with eyeliner and things, and my concealer, no, it's possibly my foundation, is creasing around my eyelids. I apologise. We're just going to go ahead and stamp this on both sides and hopefully they'll look pretty similar. So it is just a quick and easy thing. You literally just have to point and press. Now, I made the mistake the other day of talking while I did it and I ended up in the wrong position, so I'm going to stay completely silent. I don't know if I wanted that more down a little bit, but we'll go with it. We'll go with it. You can probably do it better than I can, but like I say, I'm just making this a very quick and very easy tutorial. I'm not an expert and I don't profess to be, so you know, it means that you guys at home hopefully can follow this too. Is that about the same? I made this one longer somehow. Either way, we've got a couple of little wings on either side. However good they are or not, like I say, it's just a quick and easy tutorial. So next thing to do then is to kind of join up the lines with the other end of the liner. This bit I find the trickiest and not great when it comes to winged eyeliner. I don't profess to be, so the little stamp is super handy. Okay, so the basic idea is then just to join this up with the rest of your eye. And yeah, I have done this, not quite in the right position, but it's fine, it's fine. Nobody would know. So I'll probably just zoom through this a little bit because, you know, we'll be sat here for a long time watching me and nobody wants that. Okay then, so I've pretty much kind of just done that one. I've tidied it up a little bit and, like I said, joined it around. I find it needs to have a thicker band. If you do want it to stand out, it might actually want to have a longer wing. And like I said, I don't feel like I've put it in the right place, but it works, it works. I might make it a little bigger if I can. Okay, so we've kind of got most of that side done. I will just do this side. Like I say, I'm no expert, but you know, for what you need to do for this one, I think that they will do. So I did practice this once and then I did do it quickly for a party at work. Now, when I did it for the party at work, I didn't put any eyeshadow on and I found it looked okay actually, so I'm not going to bother with that today. But you can obviously use some eyeshadow. You can create like a black kind of patchy look was how I did it the first time, or you know, whatever you think works. But like I said, I'm just making it quick and easy, kind of a last minute costume. So the next thing then I did was actually line my under eyes also with this. So just taking it along, kind of in the lash line, not quite in the waterline. Did actually use another product for that. Okay, so just along there, and then just the same on the other side too. Not doing this part very well at all. Now, I never really use eyeliner under my eyes in a normal circumstance. Okay, so they're more or less the same. Now what I actually did was bring down the eyeliner from the top. So like so, and then on the other eye also. So you want to bring it quite far. So you're trying to look like a cat. This is weird for me. I'd usually kind of be leaning on my my dressing table. So then with that one, we're kind of going to bring it along a bit too, to meet up with this eye. This eyeliner. Did kind of downwards before. I'm not really, this is my first tutorial I've done, so bear with me. See, this one looks a little bit more like what I was going for. Oh my gosh, I'm making a mess. But anyway, you get the idea. You're kind of creating a catty eye shape. Okay, then next I worked on my nose. And the shape I went for, if you just follow what I'm doing, I kind of made almost like an upside down C. And then curved it around either side. Okay, then basically once you've got a ish shape, you're just gonna fill in the rest with the black. Again, I'm using the eyeliner more just for quickness and ease of use really, because it just takes one pen then rather than lots of different things. But you know, you could be using face paint or for softer look eyeshadow. So then I brought that right down my nose. That's what I'm saying, it's really bad for a cold. I'm just hoping I'm not going to sneeze and want to blow my nose anytime soon, because it will ruin everything. Right, and then what I did is I pretty much drew, I'm trying to talk and do it at the same time, so it's not right. I pretty much drew a line down the middle. Just like that. Starting to come together. Then what I did is I drew on some little like dots just under here, like little whisker marks. Basically placing one up, one down, one up, one down, one up. And then the same again on the other side. Okay then, so another thing that I did is I actually drew on some whiskers. So a couple of lines along. I think I did 3, I'm not sure how many cat's whiskers they usually have, but obviously there's quite a lot more. So I'm just going to go 1, 2, 3. And again the same on the other side. See, I'm one of these people who wants everything to look symmetrical, and it really annoys me when it doesn't, but then at the end of the day, a cat's whiskers are never going to match. So quick and easy, you got the makings of a cat. Okay then, now we're going to finish off the eyes. What I actually used the other day is, I actually got it in a Birchbox. I think it was a free gift for recommending someone. It's an Arrow, I think is the make, and it's some kind of eyeliner, and it's waterproof, it claims to be. So I actually use this just along my waterline, just to kind of, you know, add that extra bit of shadow. Okay, so that's actually kind of tidied up that eye as well a little bit, so that's good. And then finally, I mean, you can add falsies. I'm just sticking with my Bad Gal Ban. Again, it's like wing liner, I'm no good with false eyelashes. So, and I've got luckily quite long ones, so I don't need to worry too much. And again, this look doesn't necessarily need it. A little on the bottom lashes too. I feel like I'm crouching. I'm sorry. I'm doing that just because I usually like lean on my dressing table and things, so I'm finding it a little weird. My dressing table's over there and it's right against the window, so I wouldn't be able to actually kind of have the camera there. Looks grand. Okay then, so we've got most of our look. Now what I did with my lips. Now you can use a lipstick, but I don't have one that like really stays on that's black. You know, a more permanent one. So what I actually did use is, again, I just went in with the eyeliner. Worked a treat. So, again, I struggle to speak and do it. So what I'm just going to do basically is line my lips kind of the shape I want. Pretty much the shape of my lips because I have a decent shape, I believe. And then what I also did is I kind of flicked it out a little on the corners to give a little bit more of a catty appearance. Just like so. And again on the other side. And then I just filled in the rest of the top lip. Now I feel like this might work better with like a liquid lip, a liquid matte lip, or a liquid, just any kind of liquid lip that stays on really well. But unfortunately I don't actually have one in a black shade. A little transfer is a bit hard to avoid, but that's pretty much the makings of our cat. So what I might just do really quickly is just highlight my brow bone and things. As you can see now, probably why I did my eyebrows a little bit darker, a little bit deeper today, because a little bit bigger as well, just because obviously with all the black on my face, it kind of makes them just fade in. Now another thing you could actually do is bush them out a little bit more and make them look a little bit crazy if you've got the time, just to make them look a little bit more wild and catty. What I might actually do is just stick a little bit of shadow on my nose. Okay, this is where I'm going off book, something I haven't actually done before and probably end up destroying it. I'm going to use a Revolution Pro palette and a Primark eyeshadow pencil. Just dipping into the black a little bit. And I'm just going to go ever so slightly along just kind of the contours of my nose. Just to see if that works. Done something. I'm going to find another brush to try and blend it in with. I am actually due to kind of clean most of my brushes, so most of them are dirty, my better brushes. This one will do, just to kind of smooth out those lines just a little bit. Okay then, so that's pretty much our cat all done. Now, like I said, I didn't use setting powder, so I might actually powder down my face a little bit more. You could always add a nude colour or maybe a gold or something to your bottom lip if you wanted to make it stand out. Perhaps a red. I don't know, I haven't really played around with that. When I did it, I just literally used just a bit of lip balm on my bottom lip. So we needed very little of anything really to create this look. Like I say, I started off with my usual foundation and things, and I did my eyebrows, but then all we really needed was the Lottie London stamp liner. I used the Arrow waterproof eyeliner, Bad Gal Bang, and just a little black eyeshadow. Any black eyeshadow would have done. This one was just the one I had to hand. So it takes very little. And all you need really to dress it up now, obviously, is a pair of cat ears. I have also a bow tie, which came with this kit. It was really cheap off eBay, this little kit that came with a tail, a bow tie, and the ears. I will link it down below. But you know, you can get these anywhere. Asda have some fantastic Halloween stuff this year that are dead cheap. I think they've got ears from like 50p, so easy. And this just clips on with a little safety pin wherever you need it really. And how I dressed it up the other day, I just had a little black top on, a black skirt and some tights. So at the minute I'm just wearing some black, and I feel that like that kind of works. But I am basically now just in for the night, and I'm going to go do my housework really looking like a cat. So this is the final look. Meow. Might let Jake in and see what he thinks. Jakey! Hi! Hi there! Hi, what do you think? Meow meow. I'm a cat. Let me take this off for a minute. Oh, hi! Hi, what do you think? Are you trying to eat my... Oh, nice. Hi. What do you think? I'm a cat. Meow. Meow. This is a really bad idea. So then, if you've liked this video, as ever, please hit that like button and give me a huge thumbs up. And if you haven't already, then please subscribe, because it'd be fantastic to have you here. Drop me a comment and let me know what you think, because like I said, I haven't done a makeup tutorial before. I am planning on doing kind of like my everyday makeup tutorial. So if you'd like to see that, like I said, drop me a comment and let me know what you think. And until next time, thank you very much for watching and sticking with me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye. You said bye. No. Bye. Hey guys, so I know I signed off and everything, but I just added some red lipstick to the bottom and I think it looks absolutely fantastic. So just a little tip in there for you. So remember, like, subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Bye.